Okay, class, how do Americans say this sentence? I'm gonna leave. What? I am going to leave. This is a very common sentence in English talking about the future. So, how do Americans say this sentence? First, we love contractions. I am, I'm. We do this in speaking and writing. We also love to take 2 or 3 words and mix the sounds together. One very common example is going to. We love to put these 2 words together and say gonna. Gonna is super common in speaking, but you cannot write this. So now we have the sentence, I'm gonna leave. But sometimes when we are talking extra fast, it is possible for us to mix the words I'm and gonna together. When we do this, we remove or delete the sound g in gonna. Watch what happens when I say this sentence faster and faster. I'm gonna leave. 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 When I said this sentence a little bit faster, I'm gonna changes to I'm gonna. And this is common when you are speaking to Americans. So, we started with the big long sentence, I am going to leave. And now we have this sound, I'm gonna leave. So, what does this sound like in a normal conversation? Here's an example. I'm tired. You can stay if you want, but I'm gonna leave. One thing to remember, the word leave is just the example for this sentence. If I change the verb leave to a different verb, I can still make the same sound. I'm gonna go, I'm gonna stay, I'm gonna leave, I'm gonna eat soon. Okay, teacher, is this with all the pronouns? You, he, she, we, they? Yes and no. Here's the same sentence with you. You are going to leave. You're gonna leave. But because the sound your is different from the sound I'm, we normally do not mix your and gonna in the same way. So, listen to the difference between these sentences. I'm gonna leave. You're gonna leave. I'm gonna leave. You're gonna leave. With your, we normally keep the sound g in the word gonna. So, I'm gonna leave. You're gonna leave. He's gonna leave. She's gonna leave. We're gonna leave. They're gonna leave. Okay, teacher, do Americans do this every time? No. Americans will say, I am going to leave, I'm gonna leave, or sometimes, I'm gonna leave. Do you need to talk like this? No. If you say, I am going to leave, everything is good, everyone will understand. But sometimes, Americans will say, I'm gonna leave. So, when you are listening, if you hear the sound, I'm gonna leave, the person is saying, I am going to leave. I hope this video helps you a little bit to understand fast-talking Americans. We will have more pronunciation and listening videos coming soon.